nahulog pa yung aking transit pass. Sayang din, $6. Medyo malayo-layo din. Medyo malayo-layo din yung aking lalakarin dito if naiwala ko ito. Nagkamali pa ako ng bus na sinakyan kaya bumaba ako doon sa kabila, then tumawid ako dito, and hopefully may bus na pag-stop dito para dalhin ako doon sa pinanggalingan. Right. Let's just try to get to the New York hotel.
Go, I'll just take you to the strip and then you cross over
Okay,
and catch the
alright,
bus.
thank you. I'm here at the airport right now and I'm heading to Las Vegas. US security check is done and it's gonna be just a short flight from Edmonton to Las Vegas. I think it's 3 hours and 3 hours, almost 4 hours. Pumunta ako sa Las Vegas for a 7 days business trip. And you know what? I guess you don't know yet. Nasa sobrang busy sa pag-attend ng convention and pag-upload ng mga reels sa Facebook. Good morning everyone and welcome to Las Vegas. This is my first morning. Ito. Coffee muna tayo. Krispy Kreme. Nakalimutan kong i-document ang buong travel ko. At sa bilis ng araw, di ko na-realize na last day ko na pala. Kaya ito na lang ang nagawa kong video. Good morning Las Vegas. This is my last day here. At pupunta lang ako doon sa signage na nagsasabi na welcome to Las Vegas. Kasi kagabi pumunta kami doon, ang dami, ang haba ng pila. Pero itatry ko, tingnan natin kung wala masyadong pila doon. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras nag-stop yung bus dito. Pero nag-purchase ako ng ticket. This is $6 and we'll see if this will take me to the Las Vegas sign. So, ayan na yung bus. Every 15 minutes daw meron daw nag-stop na bus dito. So hopefully, eto na yun ha. That's it. Wow.
The Deuce, southbound. Please board through front door.
Have a good day.
Good. Alright, thank you. Okay, dito na tayo. Tingnan natin kung mahaba pa rin ang pila. Oh, grabe. Ang daming tao. Ito palang welcome to Las Vegas sign is since 1959. Nandito na tayo. So, buti na lang, akala ko itong mga ito mag-iisa-isa dito sa sign na to na magpapapicture eh. Pero nandito na tayo sa unahan at titingnan natin.
medyo challenging pala magpa-picture dito mag-isa sa famous Las Vegas sign na ito kasi kailangan mong iset up itong camera and then yung mga tao dito kasi papalapit ng papalapit dito sa sign, minsan ay sila yung nakukuhaan mo. Ayan o, yung mga tao. So, expectation, mag-isa ka sana dito, but reality is, ayan, ang mga tao dito. And it gets worse kasi mamaya hahaba na yung pila dito. So you have to be here as early as possible para makapagpa-picture ka dito. Nahulog pa yung aking transit pass. Sayang din, $6. Medyo malayo-layo din. Medyo malayo-layo din yung aking lalakarin dito if naiwala ko ito. Nagkamali pa ako ng bus na sinakyan kaya bumaba ako doon sa kabila, then tumawid ako dito and hopefully may bus na pag-stop dito para dalhin ako doon sa pinanggalingan. Pahinga muna ako habang naghihintay ng bus dito sa may In and Out na burger. There we go. I was just trying to get to the New York hotel.
I don't go. I'll just take you to the strip and then you cross over
Okay,
and catch the
all right,
bus.
thank you. So, is it here or the next is bus?
If you want to get up at the strip, you can cross through the Las Vegas sign and get it. Or you can go with me all the way to the SST and get on the loop.
Okay.
That'll be better because this, I don't know what time it comes right here, but it's probably up there already.
On the station itself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Two. Okay. Balik ako dito sa Las Vegas sign. Hopefully ito na yung bus na hinihintay ko. I was on the wrong bus too before. I thought I was taking somewhere else. And I have to come back here.
Yeah, I gotta go here.
You got lost there.
Yeah. To go back to your radio? Yeah. That's good. No way.
Nandito na ako sa Las Vegas Strip. So dito marami kang mapapasyalan dito sa lugar na ito. Maglakad-lakad ka lang. At marami dito mga nakamaskot na pwede kang magpa-picture. But pag nagpa-picture ka sa kanila, syempre kailangan mo magbigay ng tip. Hindi ko alam kung magkano, hindi ko trinay. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mura at masarap na kainan dito, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa food court sa Las Vegas Strip at merong iba't ibang mga restaurant dito na pwede nyo kainan. Mura lang, katulad itong Panda Express. Say hello! Alright. Sige. Papunta na ako sa airport, naghihintay lang ako ng Uber ride. Dito ang pick up eh. Sabi na, dito na daw yung aking Uber. Kulay red na Toyota Camry. Yeah, going to the airport? Okay, thank you. Ayos. All right. Get ready? Yeah, ready. Air Canada. Thanks, man. Good deal. Sinita pa ako ng security doon kung meron daw akong permission na mag-take ng photo or video dito. Sabi ko, I'm recording my travel.
Would you like
You know what I mean? Pira pala mag-vlog pagka marami kang dala. Kala ko Las Vegas. Bakit sabi dito Las Vegas? Ah, this is the museum from Las Vegas. Akala ko mali yung spelling ko eh. Postcards from the past from the Neon Museum. Di ako nakapunta dyan ah. Sasakay pa pala ako dito. Papunta sa D-Gates. Dito sa transit.
The red line indicates the line showing the
All personal belongings before leaving the tram.
Dito na ako sa D-Gates. Dito yata sa taas yung aking yung aking eroplano sasakyan. Air Canada. O-order lang ako nitong Dunkin Donuts. Hindi ko naman alam kung pwede ba yung donuts sa eroplano. So, subukan ko na lang yung donuts. So, just wanted to ask, can I take this to the airplane?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So just as long as it's in the box in there. Okay. Thank you.
You guys want donuts? You want donuts? Yes. Okay. We're gonna box. Yeah. So let's do the hey, minis.
Thank you. And just a coffee.
Okay. So get your
Thank you.
That's jelly cat. Jelly.
Los GPS.
So delayed yung flight ko papunta sa Vancouver ng isang oras.
Ya quité su carro, entonces digo, uy.
U.S. regulations prohibit passengers from assembling in any area of the cabin including around lavatory and galley areas. Even up.
Hi.
Take those
Oh
with
yeah,
me.
of course. I know. All right, thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Donuts? Ano? We are here at Vancouver and people are asking for me donuts.
Sarap ng kape at donut. There's no place like home. Salamat po sa panonood ng aking travel video at kung kayo din ay mahilig mag-travel at meron po kayong hindi magandang karanasan sa inyong pagta-travel, aba, bakit hindi nyo isubmit yung inyong karanasang yon through videos or pictures dito sa pa-contest na ito at maaari po kayo manalo ng $10,000 kasi alam naman po natin na napaka-importante ng travel insurance. Kaya itong isang travel insurance company ay naglabas ng pa-contest na ito. Ang pangalan po ng travel insurance is Travel Guard at yung pa-contest po nila is World's Unluckiest Traveler. At paano po ba ang sumali sa kanilang pa-contest? Naandito po yung detalye, makinig po kayo na mabuti. Are you the world's unluckiest traveler? Submit your story today for a chance to win big. Travel Guard provides travel insurance products for every travel need. Whether you are a student, young business traveler, family with kids, senior seeking medical coverage when abroad, or a tourist visiting in Canada. So paano mag-submit ng inyong storya? I-click po natin itong Submit Your Story. At makikita nyo po dito, who hasn't experienced a cringe-worthy travel fail? Kung meron po kayong travel fail, simply upload a photo or a video along with a story describing your unlucky travel moment for a chance to win an epic prize for your next adventure. At huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan na i-vote yung aking entry kasi nagsubmit po ako ng entry dito. Ilalagay ko po yung link below para baka naman ay iboto nyo ako. Sakali, manalo tayo, di ba? Contest entry period starts September 3, 2024 at 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time and ends October 15, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. So, eto po, kiklik nyo lang po yung enter now. But the prizes to be won is one grand prize winner for the qualifying submission with the highest votes will receive $10,000 cash prize. Paano mag-enter? I-click po natin yan. Enter now. Ilalagay nyo lang po yung email address nyo, date of birth, first name, last name, street address, city, state, province, territory, postal code, country. So, select po natin yung country, either nasa Canada po kayo or United States of America, yung phone number nyo po, and you can only submit one photo or one video, not both, along with a brief accompanying story for public voting and the chance to win a grand prize or runner-up prize. Please select either the photo tab, so i-click nyo lang po yan, title ng inyong photo or video, and description. So, select nyo po yung photo and then click submit. So, yun lang po mga kababayan kasi sayang naman itong pagkakataon na ito. Kung mahilig rin lang kayo mag-travel, eh why not, di ba? I-submit nyo yung inyong videos or photo. So, good luck po sa mga magjo-join dito sa pa-contest na ito. Hanggang dyan lang po muna for today. Doon na tayo. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, more tips, informations, buhay dito sa Canada, at marami pa tayong pag-uusapan to come. I will see you, God willing, on my next video. Samahan nawa kayong parati ng Panginoon sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Good luck sa inyo na mga sasali sa pa-contest na ito. Sana manalo kayo.